Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to turn on RCS messaging in 2025. If you're still stuck with old school SMS, you're in for a treat. RCS, or Rich Communication Services, is like the upgraded version of texting. Think high-quality photo sharing, read receipts, typing indicators, and even emoji reactions, all powered by Google. It's faster, more reliable, and makes chatting feel like a modern app. Plus, with 2025 updates, it's even more seamless across devices. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your device is compatible. RCS works best on Android phones running the latest software, and you'll need the Google Messages app installed. It's free from the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, note that RCS is primarily an Android feature, but cross-platform support might be improving by 2025 through apps like WhatsApp or iMessage alternatives. Step 1. Open the Google Messages app on your Android device. It's the one with the colorful chat bubble icon. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture or the three-dot menu in the top right corner to access settings. Step 2. Scroll down and look for Messages Settings or directly Chat Features. In 2025, you might see an updated interface with a dedicated RCS toggle. Google's been refining this for better user experience. Tap on it, and you'll find an option that says something like Enable RCS Chats or Turn on Chat Features. Step 3. Hit that Enable button. You might be prompted to agree to terms or verify your phone number. If your carrier supports RCS, and most major ones do by now, just follow the on-screen instructions. It could take a minute to activate, so keep an eye out for a confirmation message. Now, for troubleshooting. If it doesn't work, check your internet connection, ensure your phone is updated, or restart the app. Also, verify with your carrier if RCS is available in your region. Some areas might still be catching up in 2025. And that's it, you've just leveled up your messaging game. RCS makes conversations more fun and efficient, especially for group chats. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.